if you've ever walked up a mountain and felt completely shattered, or if you've never actually walked up a mountain before and you're contemplating something like Camino de Santiago day one and you're all worried about it, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you by using smart foot placement, your strongest muscles, and a few gear tips that you're going to make the whole thing a lot easier. When you're hiking uphill, it's your glutes, the big muscles in your butt and your thighs that are your powerhouses. They're built for this kind of work. Instead of straining your calves or lower legs, focus on pushing through your heels and really engaging your glutes and hamstrings with every single step. This means you're using your strongest muscles to move you forward and not just your calves or ankles. It's like shifting into a lower gear on a bike. Suddenly, the climb feels a lot more manageable. Now, let's talk about foot placement. The best way to walk uphill is to keep your feet landing under your body. So kind of just under your shoulders, not way out in front. This helps you use your muscles more efficiently and it saves energy. So take shorter steps and keep your stride length compact. As the hill gets steeper, shorten your steps even more. This keeps your step rate steady and prevents you from burning out too quickly. I like to say that you need to be walking at a speed where you could just about have a conversation with somebody without breathing too heavy. If you find yourself getting out of breath, take smaller steps and slow down a little bit.
As you can see here, I'm pretty much skipping down what is considered a challenging decline. The secret here is that my pack is very, very light, which makes things really easy. And then I lean forward slightly, and as you can see here, I keep my legs bent at the knee as much as possible at all times. And that's pretty much it. Light pack and good foot placement, and use those thighs and butts. Here's another video that you might find useful. Don't forget to subscribe.